Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Look what I have here. It is the all new Pheonix GPS foldable drone. And what is fascinating about this drone, I thought in the first instance, is look here guys, 32 total flight time approximately, which means it might give even 25 minutes. And for my drone friends out there, you know, if you have 25 minutes of flight time, you're killing it. So that's great, man. And then 180 rotating camera, and then it comes with a carrying case. But let us look at some more details. So what's inside? Of course, the quad is inside. It has a controller with a built-in phone stand. That is great. Two slide in 7.6 volt LiPo battery, two, not one. That is also great. Of course, it will come with spare blades. That is additional propeller. It has a type C USB cable, battery charger, carrying case, of course usual manual and screwdriver. Okay, and then look at the features. Well, HD video, not bad. Look at the range guys, look at the range, 2,000 feet. Of course, if you are in the US, you don't want to fly above 400 feet. But if you're elsewhere, man, you can fly to the moon with this thing. Jesus Christ, 2,000 feet. Brushless motor, follow me technology, real-time transmission, variable speed, settings. Wow, that is good. Auto takeoff and landing, motorized 180 rotating camera. Wow, easy USB plug-in, charging 3 to 5 hours. Yeah, that is a little bit. When you say 3 to 5 hours, guys, you know it's 5 hours. Forget it. So, well, it is good that it comes with two batteries. Guys, the fact that it has approximately 32 minutes of flight time, man, charging it for 5 hours ain't no problem. Yep. I remember with my Vivitar AeroView video drone, man, you charge it for 5 hours, you have 8 minutes of flight time with all the gears on. But if you take out the prop guard, and all the landing gear, man, you get like 12 hours max. But guys, one of the things that actually attracted me to this bad boy here is the flight time. I am really eager to test this out. And then you have let's see here, of course, GPS transmission, app control, follow me, HD, auto hover, 1 key return, flight range to them. So okay, now let's try to dive into this and see what is in this box. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, my goodness. Okay, put this aside. All right. Yeah, properly wrapped. My goodness. Let me see here. It says a warning: to avoid damage of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies, children. Oh God, who's gonna keep this in the house? After you unbox it, you just have to throw this away. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like the casing. My. Da 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 da. Wow. Okay, let's see what we have here. My. Ooh, man, I just can't wait to get this thing in the air. Oh, man. Oh, ooh, wee. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Camera, return to home, lock. I don't know what that is yet, or what that is used for yet. My goodness. My. Oh, boy. I'm so happy. Wow. Let me see here. Oh, yeah. I was afraid. I didn't check the size, but it is a good size, guys. Good size. I'm gonna compare it to the Spark. I'm gonna put the Spark close to it so you get an idea of the size. That is wonderful. Ooh, wait, man. Jeez. Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's see what's next. It's a little warning sign: do not fly drone prior to completing the following. Of course, and this is standard for most drones, or all drones, I should say. You know, outdoors, you have to take it outdoors. Make sure it is in GPS mode. Pair drone with controller. Perform compass calibration, and red lights must be solid green before trying to fly. Okay, yeah, this is a very important step right here, and this is normally true for all drones. So hey guys, take that seriously. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what this is. I think this is this is like the screwdriver and cable right here. And then this should be I don't know what this is. Huh. Is that what in the world is this? Well, we're gonna find out. Maybe it's the charger, part to the charger. And I'm sure this should be the batteries right here. Yep. Comes with 2 batteries. Yep. And then, of course, these are the extra props. It comes with the whole set, so that's good. And of course, the manual. Yep. So guys, please, if you have one of these, make sure you go through the manual, read every little single detail before going airborne, okay? I do that all the time. Come on now. Alrighty. Okay. So let's have a quick recap. Alright guys, this is the remote control right here. Of course, it has these handles that just would fold in or out. And then, of course, left, right joystick. And this is the 1 key lock and unlock, the camera button. This is the return to home. And of course, this is the power switch right here. So the on or off, I'm not sure which section is on and off for now because I've not tested it out. And of course, it has the phone holder that fits in nicely in here, just like that. And of course, foldable antenna. And then it has the one key takeoff and and landing right here, all in the same switch. This one is for the lights, and then this is for the camera gimbal. So you use this to control the camera gimbal, and then of course you have the GPS and gesture mode switch right here, sorry, right here. So that is it for the remote control. And then of course this bad boy right here, again, let me compare it to the size of, let's compare the size of a Spark, so that you know that it is not that small. Let's see here. Oh, let me start from the back. Let's do it like that, and you see the difference. So it's a good size drone. And then of course you have the switch right here. Brushless motors, came with no propeller guide. Of course the camera, and then you have LED lights. Let me be gentle over here. Of course, then you have the ultrasonic sensor right there, and then you have the bottom lights and the vision positioning lens as well. It looks real nice. Of course, you have backlights right here, and yeah, not too heavy. Let me see, almost the same weight as a Spark. So guys, there you go. I appreciate you watching this video. Please comment below, tell me what you think. If you already have it, how did you like flying it? I'm gonna fly this bad boy today. I'm just gonna make sure that it's properly charged and calibrated and everything else, and then we take it airborne. And also, since I'm in the US, I think this one I need to have an FAA certification. Is it certification? How is it? I have to register, sorry, with the FAA. Make sure, guys, if you're in the US, before flying your drone, check to see whether you have to have FAA certification, but elsewhere I'm not sure. And of course the height, maximum height 400 feet, don't go above this thing. It says it can go up to 2,000 feet. So I might have to take a quick vacation one of these days and go down somewhere in South America just to test that 2,000 feet and see. Yep. All right, guys.